Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry step by step. First, ensure you truly understand the basic concepts. Don't rush ahead. A strong foundation is crucial for tackling more complex topics. Make daily practice a non-negotiable part of your routine. Consistently reviewing and applying what you learn will build confidence and retention. Also, utilize all the excellent resources available to you, like lectures and study materials. Next, engage in active learning by solving a wide range of problems. This helps you apply theoretical knowledge and understand different question types. Don't forget to review previously covered topics frequently. This reinforces your learning and prevents forgetting. Creating your own concise notes and flashcards is also incredibly effective for quick, targeted revisions, especially before tests. This personalized approach makes information stick better. To maximize your study efficiency, allocate specific time slots for chemistry each day. Consistency is key to building momentum and making steady progress. Make sure you're fully utilizing all the physics Wallah modules and practice questions. They are designed to help you succeed. If you encounter difficult topics, don't hesitate to seek clarification from your instructors or study partners. Collaborative learning can be very beneficial. Finally, prepare for exams by taking full-length mock tests. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your results to identify specific areas where you need more practice or understanding. This targeted approach will significantly boost your scores. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.